Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is ready. Check iOS version in Settings General About, and update if needed because theme features change with releases. Once done, back up your home screen layout to iCloud or create a local backup. This preserves icons and widgets in case you revert. Now open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper for system themes or Accessibility for contrast and color options. This gets you to the exact controls you will use to change appearance and behavior. You now change the visible theme elements. Pick Wallpaper to select Dynamic, Stills, or Live, choose Add to assign different lock and home images, and set depth or perspective if available. Make custom icons using the Shortcuts app, import images, create a shortcut to open an app, then add to home screen with your new icon. This is why icons change without jailbreaking. Next, long press the home screen, tap the plus to add widgets, choose sizes, and stack or enable Smart Rotate to complete the visual theme. Finish by adjusting system-wide accents. Go to Settings Display and Brightness to pick dark or light mode, and enable Auto so appearance shifts with time. This ensures consistency across apps. Then open Accessibility Display and Text Size to tweak accent color, reduce transparency, or increase contrast. These changes alter readable elements and why theme feels cohesive. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, reapply your backup, and check shortcuts for conflicting automations. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.